Over 99% of the people that watch my channel, what little bit do, are not subscribed. If those guys all subscribed, I could monetize my channel pretty much overnight. He won't answer my email. All I asked him was if the brakes work. Hey YouTubers, just a quickie today. I'm on the way to the storage unit, or the storage place where I keep my trailer, my Mexico trailer. And today I actually texted the guy I bought it from, and he's a complete twat. He won't answer my email. All I asked him was if the brakes work. I go, hey buddy, do the brakes work on this? I'm not asking for a refund, I just need an answer. And the son of a bitch just didn't answer me. So I hope his balls turn square and fester at the corners and he dies of infection. But anyway, enough of that. I'm going down to the storage place right now, and I gotta hook up the trailer to my tow vehicle, and I have my brake thingy box. Can't think what it's called. I'll add that later. The brake box, and I gotta hook it up, tow it for a few meters or feet, and press the manual switch on this box and see if the brakes work. If they do, great. All I gotta do is hook up a new breakaway box, and we're good to go. If not, then it looks like I gotta order new brakes for it and go from there. So we'll keep you updated. We'll be there in a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I gotta hook it up to the brake controller just down here and see if the brakes work. So here we are, and the dogs were looking for somewhere to play, so I just took them over to the grass. And now, of course, little one thinks I'm going to run away without her, and of course I'm not going to do that. But anyway, we backed up. We're here. We backed up, and they say third time a charm, or third time lucky, depending which country you come from. And here, backed up to the trailer, and there I am. So now I just got to lower it down, which we're gonna do now. I might have to move slightly. Nope. Yep, I think I'm definitely gonna need that weight distribution thingy on there. And okay. Come on. Come on. Go on. You're being a dumbass, Muffin. Dixie's a good girl, aren't you, Dixie? You're staying there like a good girl. So, after a bit of to-ing and fro-ing, I got out there, hooked her up, hooked the chains up, hooked the lights up. At first the lights didn't work, but I realized then it was just that I wasn't connected up very well. The connection wasn't pushed in far enough to the socket. But I pulled forward about 15-20 feet, set the controller to 99%, so that thing should have stopped me dead. It did not. Nothing happened, but not a complete waste. As I said, the guy didn't call me back, he didn't text me back, and I know why, because the brakes don't work, and he signed a paper to say that everything works, but it doesn't. So you tell me, YouTuber, should I sue him? Should I sue him for the cost of fixing everything? What do you think? You tell me in the comments below. But anyway, off home now. I'm gonna go get something to eat. But it wasn't a completely wasted journey. It is 40 miles from where I live, but it's a pain in the ass to drive. But I managed to clean the place up a little bit. I checked out some more stuff. I do need another tool to be able to work the slide outs, and I lubricated all the seals around the slide outs. So that was something else. And like I say, I got a bag full of trash. I took off these stick-on friggin' gross supposedly tiles, but they're not tiles, they're just stick-on squares. Look stupid. They were all curling and coming off, so I pulled those off. And the other thing I found in here, Colton, guy that sold it to me, 2 freaking condoms, you disgusting piece of shit. But anyway, you know, it is what it is. And tell me what you think in the comments below, guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Helps out the channel, guys. I'm really trying to build this up. And I will say this while I'm on, over 99% of the people that watch my channel, what little bit do, are not subscribed. If those guys all subscribed, I could monetize my channel pretty much overnight. So subscribe, guys, please subscribe. Even if you don't watch, just subscribe me, let it sit there in the background. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one. Till the next one. Bye-bye.